Doug. Doug. What are you doing, Doug? What are you doing? They're maniacs. Like that. Oh my god. I really don't want to go out there. Look at that. Look. Yuck. But look at this dude. Look at this dude. I guess so. Jonah, what are you doing with that stick, you crazy dog? Yuck, yuck, ew, yuck, ew. Oh god. Okay. Douglas, were you rolling around in the mud? Huh? Oh, you don't like mud. Jonah. Douglas. Douglas. Were you rolling around in the mud? Were you rolling around in the mud? Oh, get it. Get the stick. You fight for it. Just please don't hurt each other. And they're fighting over a stick. This is nice. Well, have you guys pottied yet? Apparently not. Whatever. Are you trying to get the stick from an old man? Really? Oh, Doug's like, I'm going to get that. That is mine. Right, Doug. Right, Douglas. That stick is yours. Go get it. Go get him. Go get the stick, Douglas. Oh, buddy. Don't rub on me. You're covered in mud. Please don't tell me. Yeah. Do you have mud on you, though? What is this? Whatever. Ew. What is that? Oh, it's your disgusting ear meds. Alright, whatever. Jonah? Jonah, are you actually eating the stick? Crazy dog. Stretchy puppy. Are you a stretchy dog? Are you a stretchy doggo? Yes, you are. Stretchy doggo needs a bath. Yes, stretchy doggo needs a bath. All alone in the wild. Ew, 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 ew. I see why they didn't want to come over here. Oh my god. Doug, what are you doing? Jonah. Come on, Doug. We have to go see what he's doing. Jonah's like, oh, I'm dropping that one. See, this one. Ah! Bonk. Oh, yeet. Urgh. Oh, crap. Ew, look what just happened. That is nice. Wonderful. Daggers. Oh, he's running away with it now, is he? Jonah, we can do it. Doug, don't get him all muddy. Oh, and don't give the baby a tiny piece. Doug, what are you doing? What are you doing? Doug. No stick for the baby. Oh, jeez, okay. Fine. Hi. Hi, doggers. Don't give me that. Are you coming? No. Okay, so we can do this. Oh, that's nice. Hey, that looks like baby poo. There he is! Oh, there they are. Okay. Oh, my. Oh, violence. The violence is real. Okay, we're just gonna keep walking around it this way. Oh my gosh, Doug, you're okay. Okay. So, oh god. Should probably make sure he doesn't do anything. Doug, it's okay. It's okay. Okay, so are you going to do something sometime? I highly doubt it. So, just gonna walk around this way, see what happens. Oh. Oh, and there's the other one. Okay, so, hi, Doug. Jonah. Are we ready to go inside, puppy? Are we ready to go back in, Dougers? Doug. Hey. Come on, let's go back in. Ew, ew, ew. Do I really want to track that to the house? Oh. It's okay, Doug. Jonah. Hi, Doug. Jonah. Jonah. This is where it should get interesting. Well, don't slip. Oh. Daggers. It's okay, buddy. Jonah. Hey, Bigfoot. Are you actually eating that? Hi, Doug. You. Are you really eating that? Ow. There's... Go with that. You guys should not... Oh, okay. I say you guys. The puppies are the only one eating them. Okay. Guys, are we coming back in? Jonah. Are you coming? Alright. So, alright, I'm just gonna go back in. Jonah. I'm gonna stand out here for a few minutes. Just, yeah, okay. Yeah. So, you know, I'd say everything's going well, I guess. Is there anything else I want to add to this? I don't think so. So, yeah, here's my muddy backyard. Muddy as crap backyard. But, alright, stay smooth, pebblers. Peace out.